How safe is Tennessee for travel? Tennessee is a southern state that is divided into 3 sections by the Tennessee River, and each is distinct. The east is in the Smokey Mountains with lots of parks and scenic areas. Knoxville is a major city and has the University of Tennessee, and nearby is Oak Ridge, which was part of the Manhattan Project that built the atomic bomb. Overall risk: medium. Memphis is one of the most dangerous cities in the nation, and that may skew the stats. Tennessee is third in the country in crime per 100,000 at 672. The national average is around 400. Nashville is safe for the most part, as is Knoxville. Chattanooga has a reputation for crime. Most of the state is safe, but some areas are dangerous and should be avoided. Travel insurance. Just like anywhere else, we recommend getting travel insurance when traveling to Tennessee. Better be safe than sorry. Word of caution: beware of pickpockets in crowded areas and tourist landmarks, and do not let your guard down just because you are feeling safe.